Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video which is about how to get notes feature on Instagram. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's get started. Well, the first thing you need to make sure is that your Instagram is an updated version. If it is not, then go to your Play Store, type Instagram and update your Instagram. Now once it's done, open your Instagram and then tap on the arrow icon given at top right corner of your screen to navigate to your chat profile. Now you can see your note option is here. But if you still don't get this option, then go back, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner of your screen and then select the three dash menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Go to settings and then select account. Scroll down and then tap on switch account type. Then select switch to business account. Tap on switch. Now your account has been switched to business account. And now again, go to the settings option, account, and then select switch account type and switch to personal account. Tap. Now your account has been switched to personal account. Now this helps in some cases to get the notes feature. Now go back and check if you got your note option or not. And if it still doesn't have, then go back, tap on the profile icon, select three dash menu icon, go to settings and then go to help and then select report a problem. Select report a problem, tap on don't include and continue. Now here you can type briefly your problem and send it to Instagram to get it fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.